I welcome you to my channel. This video is all about WCoin. If you're not yet mining it, it's not yet too late for you to begin to mine this coin. Pretty soon it will be listed. So now what you do is you head on to the description section, then you click the link there. For simply clicking the link, you will actually be given some bonus. That is, you'll be given some coins for a start. And if you're a premium user of Telegram, then you'll be given a higher valued bonus as compared to a mere user of Telegram. So when you happen to log on to Telegram, or if you just click the link, you will actually be prompted to kickstart the bot, and then when you click it, you actually land here. So what you do is you click tasks. When you click tasks, you see all these, those that are at the bottom. So all you need to do is to click that. First of all, you need to follow these people on Twitter, which is now known as X. Then you also choose the mining blockchain, and remember, this one can only be done once you choose the blockchain. Me had gone by turn. Okay, then you will also be prompted to join Yes. I will also leave the link for Yes in the description section so that you happen to start mining it as well. Then you will be asked to retweet a post of WCoin group. Then you also need to join their Telegram community. And if you, just as I had indicated earlier on, if you're a premium user, there will be a major bonus for you. Then you can also invite some people to Telegram. So these are the tasks you need to actually accomplish them. So if, let's say, you have actually staked 320 WCoins, you'll be given 30,000 coins as actually a bonus. Then if you tap for, of course, when you are just a beginner, you'll be given lower targets. Okay, for me, the target is when I happen to hit 25,000 times, I'll be given 80,000 coins, and then you keep on upgrading these as you are mining. Very important, very important. Now, one thing that is very good about WCoin is there are some articles, there are some documents that you have to be reading for you to actually abreast yourself with what is expected of you when you're on this platform. So let me show you something here. When you check on top of collaboration, there is how tasks work. Let me click there so that I read through one or two. So you don't need to entirely depend on a person to teach you anything about mining on this app. You simply click the articles, and when they open, you simply read through. So now they're saying earn WCoin rewards by completing simple tasks. So this is how these work. Like, visit WCoin every day. Just by logging on to this platform, you're given 14,000 coins. Then if you invite one mate, you're given 20,000. When you upgrade the charger, you're given all those. You see that? You're given 10,000. Then when you tap for 6,000, you're given 16,000 WCoins. Then staking. So let's check out this one. How do I complete tasks? Choose a task from the list, follow the instructions carefully, complete the task to earn rewards. What rewards can I earn? Get rewards in WCoins for completing tasks. Okay, so that's how actually tasks work. Let's roll back here. You check out this one here. Now let me talk about staking. Staking can actually be compared to keeping money at the bank. We call it hoarding in civic education. So when you hoard your money, depending on an account that you had opened at that particular bank, your money will actually accumulate some interest. That's how it works even with cryptocurrency. So here, let's check. I've actually staked some coins. Initially, I walked away with 124,424 coins, and those are the ones that I actually staked. So I will need to unlock them from the staking condition, and I will be given 149. So I will have a top up on what I have staked. Then the second number of coins that I had actually staked was 52,000, and when I unlock them, I will have 64,400. The other one is all the same. So now you can actually read more about staking. What is it all about? Okay, so and how does it work? So you need to click at the bottom there. It says how staking works. Boom, and here we go. This one is an easy to go up. You don't need nobody to be leading you by your hand. You can actually read about anything that you need. Then you follow these people on their Instagram channel. You'll be getting updates, and there's so many people actually on that group. Check this one. They're saying, what is staking? Staking involves locking up a certain amount of digital assets for a specific period to earn rewards. Benefits of staking: and additional rewards on top of your existing holdings. How to stake: choosing your staking duration, 3-day stake and 2% rewards, 7-day stake and 7% rewards, 14-day stake and 20% rewards. So you see, the longer you keep your coins locked up, the greater the percentage on the rewards that you're going to walk away with. So initial staking: select your preferred staking duration, enter the amount of coin you wish to stake, then confirm your selection and click the stake button to initiate the process. So this, you will need to read all these on your own, okay? So that's how you can actually mine W coins. So don't be left out. It's very, very, very important to start as early as you can when a coin is just introduced, so that by the time it will actually get listed, you will have accumulated some coins and you will walk away with an handsome reward. So head on to the description section, then join my Telegram channel as well, so that together we may make it. So here I almost forgot something. How do you now mine here? What you do is, when you get here, after you're done with all those tasks, you simply tap here. Of course, when you're just beginning, you'll be getting 1 1 1 1 1 1. So I'm using 3 fingers tapping on this, and then check at the bottom here. The question that I always happen to be asked is, when do you stop tapping? You check at the bottom there. There is a purple line. So it's actually dropped, you see. So it's dropping, showing the number of coins that I'm actually accumulating on top there. So you can see there's a slash on the left. Those are the number of coins that I'm collecting. The out of 3,500. So it's dropping. The moment it hits 0, you stop tapping. You come and check after some minutes, or even after 1 hour, you simply tap again. Now you can actually boost how much you're getting per tap. That's when our boosting comes in. When you check in the bottom right, there is actually an icon there with the word boost. All you have to do is you simply click it and you'll be brought here. So there's lucky dice there. I have 0 out of 3. Then full battery, I have 0 out of 3. Then we have all these. You can actually buy a worker. And how does it work? That's 128,000. Then we have a multiplier. A worker we can actually read about all these boosts. We click how W boosters work. Here we go. What are boosters? So boosters are special features designed to enhance your experience on the platform, the WCoin platform. Where can you find them? All available boosters can be found in the Boosts tab. How do they work? Currently, there are 4 types of boosters. There are 4 types of booster with a leveling system, as well as 2 daily bonus boosters. Here is more information about each one. The tap. So when you increase the tap, this one will definitely level up the number of coins that you will be getting anytime you tap. Okay, if initially you be getting 1, when you actually boost the tap booster, you begin to receive 2. You move to level 2, you boost it again, but anytime you boost it, you will actually be losing the coins that you have accumulated. Then the charger increases the charging speed of the tap scale default. Then the maximizer increases your power limit, so you can tap more per session. So this one will increase on the number of coins that you be collecting anytime you happen to log back in and begin to tap there. So per boost, if let's say you're in level 1, when you boost to level 2, you begin to get 1,500 if you're beginning at 1,000. Then the multiplier, get extra tap x 100 at random moment. Okay, this one is major. Then the worker is an automated bot in our app that increases your balance by 170,000 W coins over a 12-hour period. You need to read about all these when you happen to get to the app. Let's get started.